Hey everyone, and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today we have this very tricky math question. Try to solve within 10 seconds. After that, I will solve. Your time start now. The time's up. Now we have 3 divided by 3 divided by 3 divided by 3 whole divided by 3 square. And if you have already solved this, then try to solve this next question. So here there are two parts. First one is numerator and right down denominator. So we will solve for separately both part. First, for numerator, we have 3 divided by 3 divided by 3. Yes, and divided by 3. Now all operations are divided. So we will do left to right. 3 divided by 3 will give result here 1. So we can simply write 1 divided by 3 divided by 3. This whole part will give result 1. Now 1 divided by 3 can be written as 1 by 3. Okay. So we will write 1 by 3 divided by 3. Now better there are fraction. So we can say we will use KCF here. So when we use KCF here, we have to keep this 1 by 3 as it is. And this division will be changed to multiplication. And this 3 will give 1 by 3 because this is nothing but denominator 1. And 1 3 times 3 will give result 9 here. So this is the value of numerator. And to solve the denominator part, we have 3 square, which is 3 times 3, which equals to 9. So our final equation is 1 by 9 divided by 9. Okay, or simply 1 by 9 divided by 9. Now again, we can use KCF here. Okay, so we will keep this 1 by 9 as it is, and this division will be changed to multiplication, and this 9 will become 1 by 9. Or we can say 1 times 1, that is 1, and 9 times 9, which equals to 81. So 1 by 81 is the right answer. And moving to the next question, we have, let's change the color here. Let's go for, yes, blue. We have 1 plus root over 64 divided by 2 parenthesis 4. So we will write 1 plus root over 64 divided by 2 times 4 minus 9. And root over 64 is, you can say 8. This is the value of root over 64. So we can simply write 1 plus 8 divided by 2 times 4 minus 9. Now, as we know, according to PEMDAS, multiplication and division have the same priority, and we have to solve for left to right there. So we will solve left to right from there. Okay. So first we will go for this division part, which is 8 divided by 2 will give result here 4. So we can write 1 plus 4 times 4 minus 9. We will go for multiplication because multiplication have higher priority. Okay. So 4 times 4, that is equal to 16 here. We can write 1 plus 16 minus 9. 1 plus 16. Now again left to right we have to solve. 1 plus 16 will give us 17 minus 9. And 17 minus 9 will give result here 8, which is the right answer. And try to solve all this math question and subscribe us for more videos like this.